Karibu SolidWORKS Tanzania. Ni matumaini yangu umekuwa na vipindi poa sana vilivyopita, na natumaini unaendelea kujifunza vingi sana in this channel. So hii video ni special kwa ajili ya kufanya some clarifications on generating G codes kwenye SolidWORKS Computer Aided Manufacturing. So baada ya kuangalia video ambayo video ya kwanza niliyoupload inayohusu Computer Aided Manufacturing, nilikuta kwamba the final part of it is dark, so kulikuwa tuna some errors ambazo zilikuwa beyond my capabilities. So nimetengeneza hii video specifically kwa ajili ya kuclarify kile ambacho kikuonekana, so hatukuona kuhusu how to save kata locations, na tuliishia tu kwenye kusimulate kata movement ama toolpath, lakini kata location file hatukuona namna ya kusave, lakini pia hatukuona how to generate G codes. So this is special for that. So kwa namna hiyo nita create hapa rapidly. So nita generate hapa just a 3D feature, 3D model part, just a simple one. So let's go to top plane, say sketch. Tuchukue hapa corner rectangle, right? So here to here, tuseme smart dimension, tuseme this is 100, and tuseme this is 50, right? Okay, and let's say extrude base, so let's extrude it by 10, 10. Okay, and check. Tuweke some features on top of this, say normal 2. So tuweke one of the feature, tuweke slot here, right? Slot here, check. Alafu tufanye hapa, tuweke hapa a center line, tufanye mirror of this slot, right? Mirror about, tufanye this line, alafu tuweke some blank holes here, maybe one here, right? Then say mirror around this, clear this, so mirror about this. Okay, so features say features say extrude cut isometric, so let's cut it a blank one, so 5, enter, check. Right, let's create a hole here, a slot hole, or an elliptical hole, so let's say ellipse. So let's draw here ellipse here, here, say here. Okay, let me cut it and put it here. Okay, then say features extrude cut, let's cut through hole, yeah, that. Okay, so control S, so tuite hapa ni come G code, we're creating G code, so let's say desktop, save. Okay, so let's give it a color, let's say candy apple color. Okay, so so procedures, so tunakuja kwenye SolidWORKS CAM, na kama hauioni hapo una activate to through this panel, una right click, una check, so ukicheck itakuwa tick, so utaiona hapo. So first thing tunafanya ni we define our machine, so define machine. Okay, so tunachagua mashine ambayo tunajua tuko nayo, so tuchague tu simple mill matrix. Kuna mill 4 axis, kuna mill 5 axis, kuna turn single turret matrix. So hii lathe machine ni kama tulikuwa tunatengeneza labda shaft, tungeichagua. Let's choose here medium duty ambayo ina these values here. Feed rate ni 16500 na maximum speed ni 120,000, right? 120 RPM. Tool crib, so hapa tunaonyesha tu tool crib ambao tools ambazo zipo kwenye our crib. So these are the tools, so we have these ones, and post processor, we can choose a post processor kulingana na machine ambayo tuko nayo, ambayo ni CNC milling machine. So famously ni Fanuc, ndio maana iko hapa Fanuc, lakini unaweza ukachagua another machine. Let's say unaona hapa kuna Heidenhain, kuna zingine, kuna Siemens, kuna Mitsubishi etc. posting etc etc tunaacha kama zilivyo, we say okay. And then tunakuja sasa tuna define coordinate system. So ukiangalia initially this is our coordinate system xyz, lakini tunaofanya lathe milling machine tunataka this surface ndio hiyo xy, so machine itakuwa na move x y then z ndio iwe along the height of this component. So kwa sababu ukiangalia hii original coordinate hapa haiendani na kile ambacho sisi tunakitaka, kwa sababu z iko this way, that means the cutting bit inakuwa this way though, so we want the z to be upward like this, so that the tool is moving on this top surface, right? So hapa tutakuja hapa tutachagua x, alright, so x tuseme ni along this direction and z tuseme ni along this straight line. So tunaweza tukaflip hapa direction, yeah, so this is better, so say check. So tumesha define our coordinates. So next tunakuja kwenye stock manager. So stock ndio ile raw material workpiece ambayo tutaitumia, so this is the recommended or suggested one ambayo ni rectangular block. Na hapa tunachagua material ambayo tuko nayo. Ukiclick material code utaona this is low carbon steel, ukiclick this one utaona this is stainless steel, so tunaweza tukaacha stainless steel kutegemea na raw workpiece ambayo uko nayo, say check. And then tunakuja kwenye setup, so mill setup. So hapa tuna click surface ambayo the tool is traveling, so the mill is supposed to travel on this top surface, right? So you can see here an icon showing a mill bit, right? So that's it, check. And then what else? So kinachofuata hapa ni extract machinable features, kwamba hii component yetu ina features zipi. So click extract machinable features, so automatically itasema we have on bound pocket, so we have this load pocket and this one. We have irregular pocket, which is this elliptical pocket, and then we have hole group 2, so we have these blank holes too, right? Hizo ndo machinable features. And then tuta generate tool path. So this is our tool path that is generated. So utaona tutafanya rough mill, and the properties of the tool is up here. You can see it says tool material is carbide, tool diameter is 6 mm, so that means it's M6 flat end and other features. And then now tunakuja tunasema generate tool path. Alright, so this is how is our tool path. Ukiclick hapa utaona another tool path, ukiclick hapa utaona the tool path at this rough mill, etc etc. I think hii tuliangalia on the first video. So kitu ambacho kikuonekana, okay, so tulisimulate tool path. So simulate tool path. So hapa tunaweza kuongeza speed hapo tukasema simulate. So tukisema simulate utaona hii cutting bit inakuonyesha the way that the milling machine will be machining your workpiece, right? As you can see na hapa chini inakuonyesha a tool kind or tool type. So nini rough mill 1, this is T01 600 flat end, so this is M6 tool, right? And yeah, so hapa inakuonyesha what it will be doing, na kama itakuwa na change tool bit utaona inakuindicate hapa kwamba the tool bit was changed, right? Tunaweza tukapause tuka speed up kidogo, okay, yeah, so it will do it like that. Okay, you can pause and increase the speed again. Yeah, hapo inatukatia hiyo elliptical feature ambayo ilikuwa ni a through hole, right? Still inatumia the M6 flat end tool. So I hope unaelewa na unaona kinachotokea hapa. Um, so hii inaonyesha vile ambavyo ile CNC milling machine yako itakuwa inafanya, right? Yeah, inafanya finishing. Yeah. So unaona hapo ilikuja hapa ikabadilisha zile tools, yeah. Ikaja ikatumia T14, so ita proceed etc etc. So say check. So after that tunaweza tukasema sasa save kata file, right? So we save kata location file. Let's save it to desktop. So hii ni file ambayo unaweza ukaiweka kwenye flash alafu connect kwenye hiyo machine alafu ikafanya the development of this feature, right? Right. So cha msingi sana ilikuwa ni generation of G code. So how do we generate the G codes ambazo pia tunaziweka kwenye flash ama tunatumia USB kuziweka kwenye ile CNC milling machine yetu ili iweze kutufanyia this all machining. So we say post process and we say we save it again kwenye desktop, say save, and then here we play it. Play, so it will generate the G codes, right? After it generates the G codes, yeah, that's it, it's done. Say okay. So ile G code ambayo tumegenerate sasa ambayo tunaenda kwa machine tutaikuta kwenye desktop default. So tukiminimize this, utaikuta hapa cam G code. So this is the text file, this is the kata location text. So we open the G code, cam G code. So hii hapa inakuwa ndo G code yako. So ukiangalia hapa 0001 is machine origin, N1 G21 etc etc. Okay, so unaweza kuona kwamba SolidWorks imesaidia sana kupunguza ule uhitaji wa wewe kutengeneza hizi G codes manually to do the part programming. You can just develop the G codes automatically after you have your feature drawn on a SolidWorks. Yeah. So I hope umeelewa na utafanya mazoezi na hakika you are doing great. Keep moving forward and until the next session, ciao.